In this video, we'll be looking at switch expression enhancement which were introduced as part of Java 13. In Java 13, switch expressions extend the previous Java 12 switch expressions by adding a new yield keyword to return a value from switch expressions. Now let's look at the example of yield to return a value from switch expression in IntelliJ. So let's create a new class, new in Java class, and the class name is switch expression enhancement example. In this switch expression enhancement example, we'll be checking if the year is a leap year, and if it is a leap year, then we'll be adding leap year to the first quarter. So let's create public static void main and string month is equal to January. String quarter is equal to switch month and case January, February, and March. So if it matches with case January, February, March, then we are using a lambda expression, and inside this lambda expression var is leap year is equal to local date time dot local date dot now dot is leap year. In this case it will return a boolean, and there is a new keyword which is being introduced in Java 13. It's a yield keyword, and in case of yield is leap year, then print first quarter and leap year, otherwise first quarter. So yield is basically a break statement which return value directly from the case. Now let's do case. In this case, April, May, and June, we won't be returning any leap year, we'll be just returning second quarter. And case July, August, and September, third quarter. In case October, November, and December, fourth quarter. And default is unknown quarter. And at the end we are printing out semicolon at the end of switch and print out quarter. Now let's run this example. So quarter is equal to unknown quarter. In this case we have to make it January caps. So it printed out quarter is equal to first quarter leap year because 2020 is a leap year.